In this video, I'll be replacing the CV shaft in my 1999 Toyota HiLux. I don't know when I broke the old one, but I sure knew about it when I was stuck and needed four-wheel drive to get out. So you get the car up on jack stands. Now I've got the axle stand under, we can take the wheel off. Make sure your hub's in the free position, and now we can start undoing all these nuts around here. So now that those nuts are gone, we undo these bolts here. Now we can just pull this off. And we want to undo that bolt in there as well. Just to show you. See, it shouldn't be doing that. I didn't mention it before, but it would help if you remove these little washers here. Otherwise you can't get this off. So to get that washer out, all I did was stick a screwdriver in there and give it a tap with a hammer, and it loosened it straight up. After I put some WD-40 on it. Then this just pulls off. So now all that's out the way, we undo this little C-clip here. Now we're going to loosen this bolt under here. It just helps us lower it and get some more room to get the CV shaft out. So you got to remove the little pin and undo it. Now that the nut's off, we can go and remove this sway bar bolt as well. Right up under here. So after hitting it a few times and pushing down, she's finally come loose. So now we can finally undo those nuts back there. So at the moment it's not really swinging down enough to get that CV shaft out. So I'm going to start by undoing these four bolts here. So hopefully this little pin here can get out of the way and this whole assembly can rotate downwards. Now that we got this out, the rest of it just falls down and we should be able to get the CV shaft out. So yeah, that's why she wasn't working. Now we can put the nice and new one in. Now it's the exact same process, just in reverse. Now you need a jack to help lift it up and get everything in position. Yeah, if you don't use a jack, it's going to be really difficult because you have to lift all this back up either way. Now everything's back together, we can give her a spin. See, she's not moving. Now we engage this. And now she's fixed.